Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Here today we have a 2024 Triumph Tiger 660 Sport. Absolutely stunning bike with only 5,000 kilometers, would you believe on it, in outstanding condition. So we start at the back here. We've got the luggage, which is official Triumph with the one key. Bike is taxed at the moment. Going back, tyres like brand new. No scrapes or marks on this bike at all. The bike is absolutely pristine in every single way. I don't think you'd find a scrape on it. Front fairing and tank, tyres are all perfect, brakes are all perfect. We're going to do a service on it before it goes out. The first service not due till 10,000 kilometers. You've probably seen that on the speedo there. But even the brake fluids are all like brand new. Had a good look around, drove the bike. It's absolutely gorgeous. As I said, no marks, no dents, no scrapes anywhere on the bike. Just a stunning example of how to keep a bike. And then she sounds absolutely wonderful. So I'll probably have to pull in the clutch to start it. She comes with heated grips there as well, the luggage, the bigger screen on the front, and just a lovely bike ready for the summer. That's it, the Triumph Tiger Sport.